Back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to heal team using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024, so you can heal instantly in this game. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can make a tactic or create your own tactic here, and how you can build up and how you can manage the club and its finance. And also you can get this game for free if you make a subscription in a Netflix app, so you can directly install for free. And let's get started. You can heal your team if your team have an injured player like this. You can heal them instantly. Just tap the edit button, tap team action, and this one, heal team. Just tap the heal team and your team will be 100% in condition. And also you can even injury them. Tap injury, tap to confirm. As you can see, all my player injured, get injured. Let's heal them. Team action, tap heal team, tap confirm, and they are 100% ready into the match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.